Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I attempted to make Josh Elkin's copycat recipe of Chick-fil-A sauce. I came across his Instagram a long time ago and he makes a lot of great stuff. It just looks so good. It's pretty simple to make. I've never tasted Chick-fil-A sauce to my knowledge. You all know my stance on Chick-fil-A and why I don't support them. But I let my mom try it and she said it doesn't taste like it. But I don't know if Chick-fil-A has a bunch of different sauces or what, because I don't go there. But I went ahead and made this anyways for you guys because I was hoping that you would like it. But here we go. Here's what you're going to need for this recipe. 1/2 cup of real mayo, the realest that you can find. 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. And guys, don't mess this up and put 2 tablespoons like I did and then have to redo the whole thing. 2 tablespoons of smoky barbecue sauce. This right here is where I think I might have fucked up. He said get smoky barbecue sauce, but he did not state what kind, so I went ahead with one of the 2 options that I saw at Walmart. 2 tablespoons of honey. And salt and pepper, a pinch of each. Obviously, you just throw it in a little bowl and mix it all together until fully combined. Oh, that drippy drip. Look at that. All right, we're back. It smells good. Yes, I've already dipped this for the picture. I'll dip it again. That's actually really good. Regardless if this tastes like Chick-fil-A or not, go ahead and make this. You'll like it. You'll definitely like it. I could see why he would suggest this goes with anything. But like I said, I don't know what Chick-fil-A sauce tastes like because I haven't eaten there since I was like in my 20s. I'm almost 37. I don't support them because they support hate groups against LGBTQ people. But I think my mother was wrong. I think this is good. Like, I gave her a little spoonful of it. Well, not like a spoonful of it, but like, enough to taste it. And she was like, and she loves Chick-fil-A sauce, so. But I think it's good. Sorry, I had like a glob go down my throat, and that burnt a bit. But other than that, it's good. But I'm gonna get off here, and I'm gonna have some more of this. Just remember, guys, do as I always say, and just have fun with it. If you're going to try to recreate a sauce from a company that you do not support, just have fun with it. Oh God, if you're gonna get smacked with bugs, like in the face and in the head and everything, I just got smacked with one in the face and then upside of the head. Just have fun with it. If you're going to make air conditioners for a living, just have fun with it. Okay guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button and hitting the little bell for the notifications, that way whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a share and a comment for the algorithm. Please, I gotta get off here before this bug just goes in my mouth or something. Have a great night, everyone.